Very picture guru. Good morning guru.
Dress பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
Half an hour, 15 minutes.
Offering பண்ணிட்டாங்களா இல்லையா?
15 minutes.
Offering மட்டும் வர. இன்னொரு half an hour.
Okay. You can give me 2 hours. Half an hour capacity. So I'd like to, talk about some beautiful pastimes of Prabhupada, which has been, very beautifully explained by disciples. This experience was shared by Indriyumna Maharaj. Indriyumna Maharaj, he has so much experience, It's one of our very beautiful pastimes of Prabhupada. So Indriyumna Maharaj, to get the blessings of Prabhupada, when he wanted to meet him, it was so difficult. Somehow or other, he came in contact with Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. He was one of the very exalted, disciples of Prabhupada. There's one time, Indriyumna Maharaj, upon the brahmachari, they were brahmachari. So he was, coming from his apartment to the temple, When he was coming, out of nowhere, one boy, very shabby looking, hair all crumpled, so dirty, and he was always with trucks, So Indriyumna, Prabhu was, walking. Suddenly came and caught his leg, And then he was in a state of shock, Hey, what are you doing? Food. That's some deal. Food. I have food. So somehow or other he had some prasadam. He took the prasadam and gave it to him. Thank you very much. He left. The second day, the same thing happened, when he was walking. But this time in a different place, he jumped. And then he was begging, food, I have food. He was in trucks and the same day he can't talk. So, Indriyumna Maharaj gave him some prasadam back again. So the third day, what happened, Indriyumna Maharaj with all the other disciples of Prabhupada, they went on a morning walk, They went on a morning walk, Srila Prabhupada. So when they were going, in the morning walk, அப்ப என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, கதவெல்லாம் மூடிட்டாங்க, டெம்பிள் கதவெல்லாம் மூடிட்டாங்க. ஏன்னா nobody in the temple, only the puja will be there. So they closed the temple door, and then they went for morning walk with Srila Prabhupada. So when they were walking with Prabhupada, suddenly, this guy, he was named as Pigpen, the nickname was Pigpen. Somehow what happened, he rushed to Prabhupada's feet, He wanted to hold Prabhupada's feet. And nobody can touch Prabhupada's feet. None of the disciples can touch Prabhupada's feet. So when that was happening, when it's rushing to, catch Prabhupada, everybody, they caught the fly and then they throw him out, Careful. So that's all. Okay, finish. Then they started their journey. When they were coming back, morning walk போயிட்டு வர பொழுதுல திடீர்னு பார்த்து கதவு திறந்து கிடக்குது. Prabhupada அப்பட வராரு, கதவு திறந்து கிடக்குது. So they were under the impression ஏதோ திருடு உருவாயிடுச்சா, some theft has taken place. They were so much worried. So பண்ணாயிடுச்சு, Prabhupada together with the disciple went into the temple. The Pigpen அவ்வளோ shabby, dirty looking. Out of nowhere he just jumped and hold Prabhupada's feet. Prabhupada கால உடலையே தெரியும். Everybody was yelling and shouting, Prabhupada said, leave it. It's okay. Prabhupada என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காரு, அவன் தலையில நம்ம கூட வைக்க மாட்டான், அவன் தலையில அப்படியே கையை வச்சு அப்படியே தடவி கொடுத்து, don't worry boy, don't worry, everything will be okay, everything will be, சும்மா தலையை தான் தட்டாரு, everything will be, நீங்க தொட்டு பாருங்க என்ன நடக்குது, பொடுதான் வரும் நம்ம தொட்டா, பிரபுபாட் தொட்டிருக்காரு, don't worry boy, everything will work in such way. At that point of time, Prabhupada already went to his room, and somehow or other, he went, he took some, he went back. The next day he came and he said, I want to stay in the temple. Which one is it? So they call him Pigpen, Indra Maharaj was very close to him. He said, okay, Pigpen, okay. You want to stay? Now when you stay. But before you want to work in the temple, you want to stay in the temple, we will do something to you. Put to put nalla motta adichu. Nalla kulipatti, avanga kulipatti, doti la gatti, Pigpen good. Okay. And then Pigpen was, have you ever heard this pastime? No, isn't it? Beautiful. Pigpen was, he wore dhoti, and then he was given menial service, washing the pots, washing the drains, sweeping the floor. இந்த மாதிரி menial service was going through, So அப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்கிறதுல கொஞ்சம் மாற்றம் ஏற்படும், ஆனால் பேச்சு வர மாட்டேங்குது அந்த பையனுக்கு. ஒரு நாள் என்ன ஆச்சு, Indra Maharaj, he was the head of the book distribution team, they have a big van. So they are going for book distribution. So எல்லாம் வரா ஏதோ முன்னுக்கு உட்காந்துருக்கான் வேன்ல. அப்புறம் Indra Maharaj said, hey Pigpen, what are you doing here? You are going for book distribution. And Pigpen, you cannot come, you cannot talk. Don't come, Pigpen. You stay here. We like you very much. Don't worry. We got book distribution. Because they express this way. Beautiful pastime. This is one of the great pastimes. So what happened? At that point of time, never mind. Let him come. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, அவர் வரப்போ ஒரு பேக் எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருக்காரு, பெரிய பேக் ஒன்று பின்னுக்கு மாட்டிக்கிட்டு, when you want to go down, அங்கே ஒரு இடத்துல போயிட்டு காப்பா, அங்கே போய் நிப்பாட்டிட்டு, எல்லாம் பாதி தான் ரொப்பினாங்களாம் பேக்கை, இவர் ஃபுல்லாக எடுத்து போட்டாரு, put all the books in it, he was full, and he's carrying and running, it seems, And Indra, hey, what is he doing, he cannot talk, why is he going, where is he going? Then the other disciple of Prabhupada, never mind, let him go, see what he can do. So அப்படியே போயிட்டு, எல்லாம் புக் டிஸ்பிளே முடிச்சு, எல்லாம் இவங்க வந்துட்டாங்க வேனுக்கு. யார் வரல? Pigpen வரல. He was so worried, what happened, Pigpen has not come back. What happened to him? Suddenly they look from far, Pigpen walking like a gentleman. Kitta varana back korsam. All the books has been. They thought he simply gave a word, and he gave so much of money. Wow, Pigpen, you don't even know how to talk. How did you sell these books? You tell us a secret. And he told, whoever come to me, I told them, நீ என்ன செஞ்ச, எப்படி வித்த? I told everyone, Prabhupada saved me. I only told them, Prabhupada saved me. Prabhupada saved me. Everybody start buying. Prabhupada saved me. Prabhupada saved me. And after which every day he started going for book distribution. And after some time, he was transferred to Los Angeles. He was initiated by Prabhupada in Los Angeles. He became one of the top book distributor in Los Angeles. And he started giving real good classes. His speech came to normal. He started giving big classes. Such a thing has, greatly taken place to Mr. Big Man. Just by தலையில கையை வச்சது மட்டும்தான், வேற எதுவுமே Prabhupada. There is the purity of Prabhupada. There's another beautiful pastime, in regards to Shyamasundar Prabhu. He is also a sannyasi. His wife is Malati. They all die hard. அவங்களாம் Prabhupada செஞ்ச சேவை கொஞ்சம் நெஞ்சில். Practically, everybody comes in contact with Prabhupada. They gave up their job. First thing, what they'll do, they'll give up their job. And Prabhupada wanted that. He wants everybody to become full-time. The Maya is very strong. Prabhupada in such a country, and இவங்க வந்துட்டு போனாங்கன்னா மாறிடுவாங்க திருப்பி. Prabhupada wanted that. They virtually gave. அங்கேருந்து வந்து இப்போ ஷியாமசுந்தர் பிரபுலாம், he had few thousand with him, அப்படியே கூட Prabhupada சரண்டர் பண்ணிடுறது. You take it, Prabhupada. At one point of time, when the movement is growing, virtually they got no money, completely nothing there. They have to pay the rental for Prabhupada's, apartment. They are also renting, and they have a small temple. Rental has to be paid, The utility bills have to be paid, and then water bill. Virtually, they do not know what to do at one point of time, Not to that. And Prabhupada சொல்ல முடியாது, Prabhupada சொல்ல முடியாது. This is another beautiful pastime. One day, Malati and Shyamasundar was crying, நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சூழ்நிலைக்கு போயிட்டுங்க, காசு இல்லையே. The owner is going to come. He is going to come to collect the rental. What are we going to do? They were crying, praying to Prabhupada and Krishna. What can we do? Because they move out is okay, but Prabhupada's apartment has been moved, You know what happened? One morning, Malati and Shyamasundar was walking. 4 a.m., they're going to temple for Mangalasri. அப்போ யாருமே இருக்க மாட்டாங்களே, nobody was there. அவங்க எப்போ நடந்து வராங்க கோயிலுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு, 100 வெள்ளி அப்படியே வந்து கொட்டுதான். $100 bills, just coming and, falling to their feet, யார் போடுவாங்க அந்த நேரத்தில்? ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ல. Prabhupada போய் சொல்றாங்க, Prabhupada வந்து he gave a nice smile. It is done by Prabhupada. Prabhupada knows everything. அது பாட்டு வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. And with that they paid off everything. How can it be normal pastimes? Can it be normal pastime Prabhupada? It's amazing. Anyone, who goes with the problem, anyone, no matter how severe the problem, when they go to see Prabhupada with the problem, and they will come with no problem. Prabhupada சும்மா கண்ணதான் பார்ப்பாங்க. அவங்க எதுவுமே பேச தேவையில்லைங்க, எதுவுமே சொல்ல தேவையில்லைங்க. எனக்கு இந்த அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் Prabhupada சொல்லுவாங்க. Don't worry, everything will do. In the initial stages, Shyamasundar was a drug addict, He became a great devotee. Because hippies are either they are drug addicts, they are drunkards, they are all like that. How much Prabhupada tolerated, Shyamasundar. Prabhupada was a pure devotee. I was still taking drugs and as a devotee. Prabhupada tolerated me. ஒரு நாள் என்ன செய்யணும், Prabhupada வந்து, they want to take Prabhupada somewhere, and this Westerners, they like dogs, they are crazy of dogs, correct? Shyamasundar had a dog, So he had a whole car. Very good money. They had a whole car, And then Malati, was sitting at the back, Shamasundar was driving, So they called Prabhupada. We had to go, Prabhupada, the car is ready. Prabhupada, Pinduk Naya Pinduk Naya. But Prabhupada, the way that he has handled his devotees, he knows they are neophytes. So how he settled this issue? He never tells Shamasundar, don't bring dogs next time in the car, He went and told Malati. Actually, dog is okay, but it's not very healthy, it's very unclean, And Malati said, smoking is also no good. If somebody can stop smoking, I'll be very happy. Ippadi Prabhupada correct pannuvaru. Never in the life of Prabhupada has used harsh words on anybody to correct them. That is the greatness of Prabhupada. And Prabhupada is so expert, if you have false ego, however your false ego is, you will make sure that you have no ego. I like to tell one pastime of Tamal Krishna Maharaj, He's one of a very exalted devotee of Prabhupada. One time, Tamal Krishna, this happened in Los Angeles. I think I told this before, I don't know. Tamal Krishna Maharaj was appointed as temple commander. Inga Gopi inga bita. Where? Gopi vanga. Where? Gopi? Wow. In the past time, in the past time. Okay. One direct application in the past time. So, what happened, there was a temple in Los Angeles, Prabhupada, they built a temple. And Tamal Krishna Maharaj was selected as temple commander. So, if any position selected by Prabhupada, they become very proud, it seems. Prabhupada selected me. So, Prabhupada selected him as a temple commander. So, at that juncture, Tamal Krishna Maharaj, ego romba poichu, my false ego rised up so high. Prabhupada has selected me as temple commander. Now I can command, I can do whatever I like, Prabhupada நீ சொல்ல தேவையில்லையே. So somehow or other, he called Tamal Krishna, hey Tamal, come. Tamal Krishna, come. Prabhupada don't know what he has thought, our inner feelings, Prabhupada called him. Yaar கூப்பிட்டாரு? Tamal Krishna கூப்பிட்டுருக்காரு. Yes, Prabhupada, what can I do for you, Prabhupada? You go and bring the first canto, Bhagavatam. And the first canto, and the cover, the universe is written, the planetary system is there. So he called Tamal Krishna Maharaj and asked him, do you know what is all this? He said, these are all the universes, the planetary system. Where is the material world, the spiritual world? I'm not too sure. Prabhupada explain பண்றான். கோலோக விருந்தாவன் இருந்து வரான் தெரியுங்களா? From Goloka Vrindavan, Krishna resides. From him comes the Chaturvyuha. From the first Chaturvyuha comes Shankarshan. From Shankarshan comes Narayana. From Narayana comes the second quadruple Shankarshan. From that Shankarshan comes the Purusha Avatar. And from the Purusha Avatar, comes Karnatakasha Vishnu. Then creates universes. Garbhadakasha Vishnu, then Shirodakasha Vishnu. And from, Garbhadakasha Vishnu through Brahma, universes are created. So this one universe that we are saying is one universe. Within this universe, material universe, there are 7 continents. One of the continents is South America. One of the continents is South America. In the South American continent, there's one state, and within the state there's one city called as Los Angeles. Within the Los Angeles temple, there are office bearers. And one person, his name is Tamal Krishna, selected as temple commander, and he's feeling very great about himself. Are you getting the message? Where is Krishna? Holding such an insignificant pose, and that one particular day, when Prabhupada corrected him, he never ever experienced what? That is what Tamal Krishna Maharaj is one of the most favorite disciples of Prabhupada. இறக்குற வரைக்கும் Tamal Krishna Maharaj அவர் கூட இருந்தார். I think I'll stop here. Thank you all very much for the rest of the time. You can have some questions if you all want to. If you have any questions, any questions? One beauty I can see, one of the best centers that I've ever visited, is Botanical Garden. Each time, when I go to any centers, when I ask for questions, there will be questions. But Botanical Garden alone, there will be no questions at all. Prabhupada சொல்லுவாரு, when you ask somebody for questions, if they say no question, either they have understood the whole subject matter, or they don't know anything what's happening. So you have to categorize yourself. Thank you all very much. Hare Krishna.
சொன்னங்க பக்தி தேவி டோட்டல் Prabhupada where was his references?
Bhakti Devi is from the Bhagavat Mahatma.
I don't know.
எப்படி எழுதிருக்கு?
எப்படி Prabhupada எழுதிருக்கு? What's the Abhichara?
She needs a representative to bring. What is Prabhupada? Prabhupada's name also. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.